If you're like me, did you clock to understand? Jaguar has been right about a lot of things. Things that people called her crazy for saying years ago, and now, those same things are coming true. So, when the man who controlled 51% of Bad Boy Records, the man who technically had more power than Diddy himself, gets less than a minute of screen time, you have to ask yourself why. He says something that should make everyone's ears perk up. He said, "We're losing. We need control. We need to be speaking to the potential jurors." Wait, what? He hadn't even been arrested yet. He hadn't even been taken into custody. But they were already talking about controlling how potential jurors think. Jaguar breaks it down flawlessly. She's asking the questions nobody else dares. They were losing. Losing what? Losing at what? Diddy had a, but then Usher hands temporary guardianship over to Diddy anyway. Already hospitalized, yet custody still given. Does that sound like protecting a kid? Does that scream good guy to you? No response. No lawsuit. No Instagram post. No public clapback. Nothing at all. So why? Why would the king of petty, the next one?